Back the other way. Nonoy with a runner. He draws the foul in Enriquez kanina pa.
In the backcourt. You always hear coaches about,
Peño. Behind the back. Naka-recover si Katapusan. That's a steal. Balik ang Iloilo. Nonoy on the attack. Nonoy banks it in. 6 points. What a hang time move galing kay Mark Nonoy.
every time si Nonoy nakakuha ng buwelo, kahit sang side pa yan mag-end up. What a big shot, a big answer and over right here.
Nicodemos is blocked. Clint goes to the corner. The extra pass, Imperial, the sidestep, and the finish.
It was like a zone para sa Imos. Help was not there. They force a turnover. Good pass by Nonoy. Imperial will finish. Seconds. This was the no-look by Nonoy. Imperial doing a good job running the lanes. And quickly, kahit na tumama pa siya dun sa poste, pumasok agad siya. Naging aktibo agad. Kinuha ang bola. Contact. Here's the whistle. Concentration. Ayun pa, may kasama pang post. Point pa lamang itong Imos. Shoot it, Nonoy.
And CJ Cancino is right there.
I wouldn't be surprised if Nonoy points to CJ. Yung pasa yun. Pasa yun. CJ, nice pass. Sticking to CJ Cancino like glue.
Inside they go. Katapusan, that's a difficult finish. And Eugene Gonzalez sa ilalim. Turnaround shot, that's good. What a sequence para sa Imos, just not giving up.
Was able to rise up and finish on top.
By Iloilo. Luis Tapeño, umatake. Tapeño under control, puts it in for two. No, yung kanyang career.
Wow!
Eugene Gonzalez getting going here in the
Sunto talaga.
And he's so quick and explosive. In here he is, down the lane, off the glass and in.
Left-handed player, driving left. Guess what? Oftentimes, that's their strong hand. Tingnan mo itong drive na to. Napakadali para sa mga kalibreng tulad ni Mark Nonoy. Kaliwete, atake, kaliwa. Ginamit pa ang banda sa gitna. Uses the behind-the-back dribble. Good block by Javelosa. Outlet pass. Nonoy! Ooh!
And Doliguez puts it in.
Yun talaga yun eh. Yun ang intensyon ni Mark Nonoy doon. Kulang daw 2 points. Naging 3-point play pa. Ang buwelo eh.
Oo.
Hinila niya lang pababa yung ring. Kung hindi niya hinila to, shoot na eh.
Yeah.
Hinila niya lang pababa yung ring. Pero buti na lang si Doliguez na nandun to clean it up.
To be a springboard para sa mga laban na yan.
Correct. So
Cancino
it's always
drive.
great to get a win before you play the heavy.
CJ Cancino will fire and hit. Consalan with 5 points, 86-75. Nonoy drops it off to Rangel. Head, Emer Oreta.